a couple new concept cars in the collection this week. First up, this is the Audi RS6, I think 40th anniversary of Quattro concept. And this is how concept cars should be, because they basically, for 2025, put this car into production and call it the RS6 GT, with carbon fiber body panels and kind of a wild toned down paint job, similar to this, but toned down a bit for like $250,000. But so yeah, this is based on a production current Audi RS6 Quattro. I'm into fast wagons, so it's a car I like a lot. This is sealed resin by GT Spirit. The turbo fan wheels are very cool. So yeah, obviously nothing opens if it's sealed resin. This would be based on a production car, so twin turbo V8, 4 liter, about 590-ish horsepower. The new GT, I think that's like 630, something like that. It's got a roll cage in there. It's a stripped kind of track car rendition of this car. Not much to see with the deeply tinted windows in the back. So you're kind of relying on the paint job and the cool wheels here, but I think it's cool. Not quite open mesh from what I can make out. It's not quite open. Let's see underneath. A little bit of simulated exhaust detail. Car number 1103 out of 1400. Kind of a weird production run. Usually GT Spirits are 1000. Now, if you do like this, it is currently on sale at Diecast wholesale models. $89, $9.95 shipping, but you can buy as much as you want for the $9.95 shipping. I don't know. That price I'm not mad at. It retails probably about $139. I was a little light on concept cars, so I could justify it. Let's see, packaging is, your boring old black GT Spirit box, which does at least give you a preview on one side of the box, like so. So yeah, styro insert. Really, they have not changed their boxes in a long time. I think very recently they've moved to a window box. So yeah, next up, another concept car, but an older release, and opening diecast. This is by Highway 61. This is the Dodge Challenger concept, which is very, very, very similar to the production car, which I also have by Highway 61. Giveaway of the concept cars, these wheels are a little different than a production car, but the body is very, very, very similar to what went into production. This is kind of a silly one, though. I mean, they really only made one concept car, and they Highway 61 released this in like 6 different colors and all these iterations. So it's a little bit make-believe. I try to have the original, the one concept, but this came up for sale locally as a 1 of 504 limited edition. $40, at that price I'm not mad at it or care that it's not quite the original color. But full opening diecast. You've got carpeting. I think the seats move a little bit, maybe. Yeah, the seats slide. If you can make out, there is some carpeting in there, right? Yeah, a little bit of carpeting from what I can feel. Yeah, not a bad interior. Trunk has these simulated carbon fiber decals. It is a nice carpeted trunk, and it's kind of nice how they have these like raised details in there. Trunk so far seems to be the best part of the model. Under the hood, this would have had a 6.1 liter Hemi V8. Notice the scale hinges. You've got that simulated carbon fiber under the hood again. About 425 horsepower, and that wound up being the production engine with those stats. This one shows a pistol grip manual transmission, if you can make that out. There's your sliding seats again. Full detail underneath, which is good. Correct, Hemi orange engine block. So yeah, this is car number well, it's not. I don't think it's individually numbered, but it's supposed to be a run of 504. But yeah, I mean, at $40, opening diecast. Like I said, I was light on concept cars, so I actually kind of needed this one. Highway 61 packaging. You just kind of pull it out of the clamshell. It typically does come with a little bit of a microfiber and maybe a crevice tool. There it notes car number 10504. So yeah, not bad. Box was even in pretty good shape for a local score. It made me happy. So yeah, that's it for this week. Please look below. I'm linking my annual full collection tour. I only do it once a year, and it's a lot of work, so please check it out. And that's it. Everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.